Hi, and welcome to OwnerRez. Portal user access grants team access to owners, cleaners, maintenance staff, etc. to view availability calendars and perform actions like blocking off time or viewing owner statements. Alternatively, staff access, another option in OwnerRez, provides full access to your account. This video will go over the steps to grant portal access to those that will need access to only certain functions of your OwnerRez account. To get started, select Team Access on the bottom far left of your menu bar, and make sure that you have the Portal tab selected. A branded portal is for those that wish to link a subdomain of their primary domain name to the OwnerRez servers so that Team Access will live at that domain. Portal users will then be able to log in to their branded domain rather than using the main OwnerRez URL. Please see our branded portal video at ownerrez.com/support for more information on setting this up. To get started with granting portal access to an individual, select Invite Portal User. Next, fill in their contact information and then select which properties you'd like to grant access to. You can select an individual owner and grant this user access to all of the properties associated with this owner, or you can select any property or just specific properties. Next, choose which permissions you will be granting, and if this is for an owner, choose whether or not they can view statements or view a dashboard. Once you're finished, select Invite. An email invitation will now be automatically sent to this user. When they click on the link in the email, a portal login page will open where they can create a brand new account. They'll also have the ability to update their first and last names, their email address, and to set a brand new password. After the new user completes this section and selects Create My New Account, they will have access to the areas of your OwnerRez account that you have granted them permission to access. If the portal user already has a Portal Team Access account with another OwnerRez user, they can choose the link accounts, and then they can use the same login and password to view multiple OwnerRez Portal Team Access accounts. To change permissions of a portal user, go back to Team Access, click on the portal user, and then select Grant Portal Access. Here, you can quickly edit which properties and which permissions this user has access to. Once you've configured the permissions, portal users will only have access to log in and see what you've given them access to. If you want to verify what they have access to, you can use the Login As button here at the top, and this will let you log into their account where you can look around and verify that you've set up everything properly. There's also a last access time here, which tells you the last time the portal user has logged in or blocked off time. This is useful information to make sure they are able to log in successfully and keeping up to date with the system. For more information about portal access, please visit us at ownerrez.com/support. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.